today we're going to be making a lavender and lemon posset. Posset has been around for hundreds of years and it's basically made with simple ingredients of cream and lemon, which curdle together and thicken and make the most delicious dessert. And today we're going to infuse it with some lavender flowers and make it extra special. So I'm Kath from Her Majesty Cooks. Let's do it. For the posset we have 400 ml of double cream. I have the juice of 2 lemons here. It's 40 ml there, so it's roughly about two lemons. And I also have the zest there as well from both. I have a generous 1.5 tablespoons of dried lavender flowers, and that is 120 grams of caster sugar. So what we're going to do here now is pour the cream into a saucepan. We're just going to heat the cream up to just below boiling point, and it's going to infuse with all these lovely flavours. So just pop in the lavender and put in most of the lemon. I'm just going to reserve just a little bit for a garnish at the end. So just put the lemon in there as well and just reserve about that amount for later, and I just give it a gentle swirl around and then pop it on a gentle heat. Okay, so once it's just below the boiling point, turn off the heat and just leave it for an hour for the flavours to infuse. So this has been infusing now for an hour, so we're just going to strain it all into a bowl. Scrape out any bits in there. And just give it a light press just to get all the juice out. There we go. So then pour it back into the pan. What I'm going to do actually here is sieve it twice. Just sieve it back into the pan, and I've got the sugar in the pan there as well. So just sieve the cream back into the pan there. And then we're just going to heat that gently to dissolve the sugar, and then we're just going to cook it for on a low heat for 5 minutes. So that's been cooking for about 3 minutes now, so it has thickened slightly. So just turn the heat off now and then just stir in the lemon juice and then just leave it for half an hour like that. So this has been stood there now for about half an hour, so we're just going to give that a good whisk, and that will help to smooth it all out, and it will be nice and silky. You won't get any sort of graininess to the texture. And then we're just going to pour it into the ramekins, and then when it's cooled down more, pop it into the fridge. You need to leave it for at least 4 hours. There we go. And then we're just going to, before we pop it in the fridge, just garnish it with the rest of the lemon rind there. Our lavender and lemon posset is ready now, so I'll bring it a bit closer to show you. So it's all lovely and set now, and I think I'm going to tuck in. Let's give this a go. That is really silky. I'm sure you're going to love that. Thanks for watching. I hope you give this recipe a go. Let me know in the comments below how you got on. So like and subscribe, and I'll see you next week. Bye.